I was tagged that we need to watch this, so let's
I went to my
watch.
pharmacist to pick up a medication that my doctor prescribed to put an IUD in so that she could soften the cervix and not have to torture me to get the IUD into my uterus. And the pharmacist flagged it.
Okay.
And when the cashier was bringing it up, she comes running over, grabs the bag from the cashier, and demands to know, in front of everybody, in front of the cashier and many people that could hear, if I'm pregnant or not. She didn't ask me to come aside and say, I want to let you know that this could harm a fetus. She wanted to know my status of whether I was pregnant or not before
That's
handing
a common
over
question.
the medication that my doctor said I needed. We should not be flagging any medication and refusing to give it to a woman unless we know she's pregnant or not. That's unacceptable. My doctor said it was okay to take, and if you want to give me a warning about it, that's one thing, but it's written on the package, so I really don't need you to tell me that. But to demand my status is unacceptable. And if you think they're going to stop with this medication, they're not. They're going to do it with every other medication that women need to take, whether it's for diabetes or any other condition you have. And if they think it could harm the fetus and save your life, they're going to stop you from taking it. So unless everybody gets out on Tuesday and elects Harris and votes blue up and down the ballot, this is going to be a reality because it's happening now.
Maybe this might not be a popular opinion, but it is the responsibility of the pharmacist to know if you're pregnant when it comes to certain medications. Because so many times a doctor may prescribe a medication that someone who's pregnant should not be taking, and it could actually cause damage to them. So that's why the pharmacist is checking. Now, do I think we should be yelling out in front of everyone? No, but maybe pulling the patient aside, just asking just to make sure and let them know that they are aware of it. I honestly don't think there are any pharmacists trying to prevent patients from getting the medications that they need, but there must have been just a misunderstanding because honestly, I think the pharmacist was just trying to ask the question so that they don't lose their license. And I know we're always trying to make things political, but in all honesty, when we are checking to see if you're pregnant when it comes to any medication, we are doing that to make sure that is not going to cause any harm to you or to your baby. Because at the end of the day, we just want you safe and healthy.